Most people think autophagy just means cellular cleanup, but that is way too simple. Autophagy is how the cell recycles damaged parts. Mitophagy is how the cell removes damaged mitochondria. And together, they form one of the most important feedback loops in health and aging. When mitochondria are working, they produce energy. But when they become damaged, they can leak reactive oxygen species, mitochondrial DNA, and inflammatory danger signals. If mitophagy works, the cell removes the damaged mitochondria before the signal becomes chronic. But if mitophagy fails, the body can enter a loop of low energy, oxidative stress, inflammation, and accelerated aging biology. Now, let's run through the Praxis evidence check. Remember, this is done on 4 different studies that I looked at. The design, mostly strong mechanistic and preclinical research, but limited direct human clinical proof. Gave it a yellow. Population, mostly cellular and animal work with some early human relevance. Gave this one a yellow as well. Exposure, autophagy can be influenced by fasting, exercise, nutrient sensing, sleep, temperature, and metabolic stress. Peptide exposure is a little less standardized. Gave this one a yellow. Outcomes, mitochondrial quality control, the inflammation regulation, metabolic resilience, neuroprotective signals, and cellular repair. Gave this one a green. Influence, strong science, but several claims are kind of ahead of the evidence. Gave this one a yellow. Now, here's the peptide connection. MOTS-c, as many of you know, is a mitochondrial-derived peptide. That means the mitochondria are not just making energy. They may also be sending signals. MOTS-c can act as a mitochondrial stress signal, influencing AMPK-linked pathways, nuclear gene expression, metabolism, inflammation, and stress adaptation. That matters because AMPK is one of the major energy sensing pathways connected to autophagy and mitochondrial quality control. So the idea is not that MOTS-c is simply a mitophagy peptide. The deeper idea is this. MOTS-c may participate in the feedback loop that tells the body when energy stress should trigger adaptation instead of breakdown. That is the future of peptide medicine. Not just chasing symptoms, reading signals. Autophagy removes what is damaged. Mitophagy protects the mitochondrial network. And peptides like MOTS-c may help coordinate the conversation between stress, energy, inflammation, and repair. The Praxis verdict here, mechanistically extremely powerful, clinically promising, but not yet proven as a universal longevity protocol, as with several peptides.